Like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get more updates from us.
Let's start with simple ones. At this signal I need to take a left turn. I notice a sign on the road. So cautiously at this spot I get into the left lane. I am currently in a single lane road. Now I notice a sign on the road, which shows that the lane is getting divided into two. I need to go straight. At this point it is not clear to me, if I get into the left lane, will it lead straight or it is only for vehicles taking left turn. So I try to get into the right lane. Now I notice that the left lane is for vehicles turning left as well as for vehicles going straight. So I continue on the right lane and whenever it is safe I try to get into the left lane, which is for slow-moving vehicles. After this signal I intend to drive slow, so I would like to get into the left lane. It is unsafe to get into the left lane at the signal. So I proceed further in the same lane. I will look at the left mirror and if it is safe, I would put a left indicator and slowing move to left lane, also making sure that I am not blocking any vehicle movement. I will get into the left lane only if it is safe to do so. If not I will proceed in the same lane. At the signal I need to take a right. I notice a sign on the road. I remain in a straight lane. Now again I notice a sign on the road. Since I need to take right at the signal I will slowly move to the right lane. I need to go into the road shown by the red arrow mark. I notice the sign on the road for moving to the right lane. Also this main road has curved towards left. So while getting into the right lane I need to be very cautious by making sure I am not blocking the vehicles at the back. Here the important point is positioning of the vehicle in the place where I take a turn towards right. I position my vehicle in a way that car is straight and within the right lane. I yield for vehicles coming in the opposite direction and take a right turn only at the dash line. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates.